In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for secondary lesson planning, 2026 guide. We'll walk through a reliable, repeatable workflow that keeps your plans aligned to standards, grounded in real texts, and ready for immediate classroom use. Start by using the PREP prompt framework to set a strong foundation. First, be precise about what you want the AI to generate, such as asking for a detailed 90-minute lesson plan. Next, assign a clear role so the model knows how to think, like asking it to act as a specialized co-teacher for a specific grade and subject. Then supply an example or source material. This could be a successful past lesson outline, a target text you're teaching, or a district template. Finally, lock in your parameters, whether the class is in person, how many students you have, and the mixture of learners, including English learners and students reading below grade level. That combination dramatically improves the relevance of the first draft you receive. Move to a standard first approach. Paste the exact standard you want to target at the top of your prompt and ask for an initial sequence of activities. Treat that output as a baseline. In 2026, models can still lean generic, so use it as scaffolding to shape something more specific in your next turns. Narrow by text to bring the lesson to life. Tell the AI which anchor story or article you'll use and ask it to reformat the sequence so the text is integrated throughout. Before drafting handouts or questions, request the key biographical or historical context that students should know to better access the theme or skill. Always verify any context independently before sharing it with students. Now, apply advanced vocabulary and accuracy checks. Avoid asking for vocabulary pulled from the story without proof. Instead, paste the full text and ask for a set number of high-level words that explicitly appear, formatted as word definition. Then spot check 2 or 3 complex terms with a quick search in the source. If a word isn't there, rerun the request with the pasted text until it's accurate. Finally, prepare study materials for third-party tools. Ask ChatGPT to reformat the confirmed word list so each term and definition is separated by a comma. Open a new Quizlet study set, choose import, and paste the comma-separated list. The cards populate automatically. Give it a quick glance to ensure spacing and punctuation look right. That's the workflow. Following this iterative, injected, and standard-focused approach will save you hours while keeping your materials crisp, accurate, and classroom ready. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next